See, Teja's a very sweet girl and she's playing the game very well. I like her as a person. Omar is one of the nicest guys in the house. And when I needed a friend, because of her, and the whole house thinks the same. Like, meaning, he does not stop talking, Pratik. See, Raki's not a bad person. She has a lot to say, and sometimes the wrong things to say also. Hi, I'm Rajiv Vidatya, and you're watching FIFA Fools. Subscribe, like, and share.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फीफा फूज में। मैं आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त राहुल भोज, और इस वक्त हमारे साथ वो सेलिब्रिटी हैं बिग बॉस के घर के, जिन्होंने अपना नाम, अपनी पहचान एक अलग लेवल पे बनाई। सबसे पहले तो इनका कॉमिक टाइमिंग बहुत अमेजिंग था, इनकी स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत अच्छी थी, और प्लस ये बहुत ज्यादा फनी है, हिलेरियस है। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है राजीव आपका। लिटरली आई एम ग्लैड दैट यू आर हियर, और बट अपसेट भी हूं कि आप आगे नहीं आ पाए।
You're glad I'm out of the show? You're glad
No. I'm glad कि आप और मैं इंटरेक्शन कर रहे हैं, बट अपसेट भी हूँ कि आप इतनी जल्दी निकल कर आ गए।
That's fine.
Rajiv, what is your reaction? How's your journey?
My journey was fabulous. Like, I loved this show. I think this show was fabulous. My journey was up and down throughout the whole season. But I think that I loved the show so much. I enjoyed it so much. I feel like going back to more of this in the house. I don't mind going back for another 3 weeks. I mean, I loved it that much. And it was it's a beautiful journey. Yeah? It's such fun in the house. I loved it. People may hate it, but I loved it most.
Okay. राजीव, हमने शो में एक चीज देखी कि जब आप अपने मन की खेल रहे थे, आप बहुत आगे गए। You were amazing, outstanding, mind blowing. लेकिन जैसे ही आप शमिता जी के अगेंस्ट गए, वैसे ही आपको डांट पिटनी शुरू हो गई कि राजीव ये क्या है, तुम किसके लिए आए हो, ये वो ऐसा वैसा। सो एक्चुअल क्या उद्देश्य आपको भेजने का यही था कि यहाँ पे शमिता जी को सपोर्ट करना?
I came in the house not for Shamita. I came as a contestant. I came in the house. One of the reasons I came in the house was because Shamita was there. So I thought it would be a great support system to have Shamita there. So my intention was never approached me, go for Shamita. It was always approached, go for you. So let me clear that, because Shamita, she was an incentive for me to go because she was in the house. And for her, be beneficial also if I was there. But I knew Kundra, I knew Umar, I knew Pratik, I knew a lot of people in the house. So it was another incentive that I knew a lot of people in the house. Game के हिसाब से जो था, जो समान से ने बोला था मुझे, I never felt that I let her down. I just felt that she felt that obviously I was sitting with Umar, and I was being friends with Umar and all. And her friends were Nishant and Pratik a lot, which I didn't really trust that much. But task ke hisab se, she was always my priority, and I was her priority always. I just feel that the things she was feeling were justified on her part, but she never felt that I abandoned her. And I think whatever fights we had in the house was very natural between a brother and a sister. And I think that actually helped us become even more closer, because it clarified and made a lot of clarity in the show. Like, she once said to me that, I'm balancing my relationship with you and Nishant, that sack task, which was very justified in what she said. And I said the same thing I'm doing with you and Amar, because you and Umar don't really get along. So I'm trying to balance it out. I don't want to hurt him, nor do I want to hurt you. Even though you're my sister, I love you so much. Yeah. But it was never against her, and I supported her, and she supported me so much in the show. And she was always there for me, and I was always there for her. I just think task ke hisab se it was very different, because she was playing with Nishant and Pratik, who I didn't really trust that much. And I was playing with Umar, who she didn't really trust that much. So there was the conflict there. So we sorted that out very quickly.
Okay. राजीव, हमने देखा कि आपकी और तेजा की उतनी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग नहीं हो पाई। अक्सर हमने देखा कि शो में आप तेजा के लिए बोल रहे थे कि यार ये क्यों इतना नाटक कर रही है, या फिर ये इसकी रियलिटी नहीं है। You were trying to warn Umar also about that. So
I warned Umar because see
why is it that, like, क्यों आप तेजा पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पाए?
See, Teja's a very sweet girl, and she's playing the game very well. I like her as a person, but game ke hisab se, she would not stick to her word. She would do something and then do something else. And every time there's a mudda or something, she would say something in that which wasn't concerning her. And I was telling Umar that, listen, you have to play for yourself. Even though she what do you call it? She was she was a little bit indecisive of her decisions and all. I just don't feel that she portrayed herself in the way that I think she should have, because some stands she took, she didn't stand by them. So I told Umar, just play your game right. I don't know why I'm not trusting her that much. And with that Vishal task also, jo puri baat hui thi about, she's telling me go in the room, wo double faced hai, ye hai, wo hai, and then saying I was her priority and all. So it was very weird for me. But as a game player, she's very strong, and maybe that's her game. That's a game working for her. So I'm not judging her for that. It was just in the house, You gauge people for the actions they do. Shayad
Okay.
I was right, shayad I was wrong. But that's what I was gauging. So some people were saying the same thing. Some people were saying that she's playing right. So everyone's opinion is just my opinion at that time.
True, true. And what is your bond with Umar Riaz? Can you please explain us? Because हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. Plus, why do you trust him so much?
Omar is one of the nicest guys in the house. And when I needed a friend, see, I have to clarify this that Shamita is my sister. And I'm sure as a guy you'll understand, you can only tell your sister so much. Sometimes you need a guy in the house for you to vent out certain boy things with, right? Or just have banter with. And with Shamita, I have a very big respect factor. Like I don't cross the line with Shamita because she's my sister and I respect her that much. So the faltu baat I could talk with Umar, I could not really talk with Shamita because it was a bit, So I just sit with him and do a lot of faltu baat and things. I knew it would upset Shamita or Shamita chirti mere
True.
So he took up a space in my life at that time in the house, which I needed as a dost. बहन थी मेरी फैमिली थी घर पे पर एक दोस्त का भी जरूरी थी तो he supported me from beginning to end and I have so much love for that boy because he supported me dil se. Sometimes when I didn't speak up he spoke up for me and he supported me till the end. And let me tell you, he's not just aggression. There's such a beautiful side to that guy. He's so funny, he's so intelligent, he's so trustworthy, loyal. I know he sticks by his friends. No matter what, he'll stick by your friend till the end. No matter if the whole house goes against you, he'll stick by you. So when I needed somebody like that friend to talk to, I couldn't confide in Shamita because I was, boy talk. As I mean by boy talk now, I couldn't talk to with a boy. That's where he filled that role and he filled it till the end. And I always told Umar, I have not made you a friend for this house, for the house, for the game. It's okay if you don't save me, if you don't play with me. I don't mind. And please don't be offended if I don't do it for you. We had it very clear that if he chooses, if he chooses other people for the show, I would have been hurt. I never was hurt because I didn't make him a friend for the show. I made him a friend for life. So his decisions were his decisions. And I was very fine with that. So I told him, bro, you do what you do, and that's it. But he's a sweetheart.
राजीव, प्रतीक के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग हमने नहीं देखी. यू आर नॉट सो कंफर्टेबल विद हिम. हमने देखा. और प्लस प्रतीक को अभी हमने प्रोमो में देखा है कि आप वो कॉकटेल ड्रिंक समथिंग उसके ऊपर उड़ेल रहे हैं. प्लस आई रियली वांटेड टू नो वो जो पूरा एक एपिसोड चला था जहां पे ही वाज बुलिंग यू एट द सेम टाइम. और आपको क्या कहना है प्रतीक के बारे में?
Yeah, I won't say bullying because bullying is very strong word. I would say that he was doing masti that went too far. I don't think bullying is, no one can bully me. I just think he was doing a lot of masti that actually went a bit too far. And the reason why I gave him that the cocktail in his face, the whole pakao cocktail or something. I say banda mujhe bada pakate hai yaar. Because har kudhe wo guste yaar and the whole house thinks the same. Like meaning he does not stop talking Pratik. It's like his verbal diarrhea sometimes. He's so funny. Every Buddha Pratik comes and talks. I'm not Pratik, मुझे बोलने दो. ऐसा नहीं मेरा Pratik मैं बोलूँगा. ऐसे बोलो कोई बात नहीं मुझे तो बोलने दो.
Yes.
That's why I give him Pakao का conscious that this is Big Boss and not Pratik said was so Pratik हमको बोलने दो. But I love the boy. I think he's very sweet. He's a good boy at heart. He's playing the game very well. He's smart. He makes me laugh a lot also. But it's just some things he does irritates the nonsense out of me. That's what it is. Like that whole both hai. That's it. Apart from that, he's fine.
Okay. राजीव, हमने देखा कि करण कुंद्रा आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं और करण कुंद्रा ने बात साफ एपिसोड में बोली है, वीकेंड के बारे में बोली है. और ये भी इल्जाम लगा है आपके ऊपर बाहर जो है कि आप जो है दोस्तियां तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उमर और करण की. What is that? Are you trying for that? Because रश्मि के ऊपर भी सेम यही allegations लग रहे हैं बाहर.
I'll tell you what it was. I never tried to break Umar and Karan's dostiya. I tried to tell Umar, play your own game. Because Karan would always go to Karan ask for advice. Always go to Karan, मैं ये करूँ नहीं करूँ. I said, stop doing this because you have to make your own choices in the house. You can't be dependent on someone else's decisions. Karan loves Umar. Karan really cares for him, and Karan really is fond of him. My only thing was not dost related. My thing was game related. And I said to him that dude, play your own game because I was very concerned for Umar. I just felt that everyone was telling him things and he was doing them a little bit. So I was concerned for that respect. And I never tried to break the friendship up. In fact, me, Umar, and Karan just sit a lot together. We used to dance in the morning together. हम बैठते थे, हम मस्ती भी करते थे साथ में. And I always was very secure of mine, Umar's friendship. I never said to him, leave Karan. I always told him, dude. And he understood what I was saying because, you see, Karan's priority is Teju. Second priority is Umar. So in any task, his first priority is Teju. So I told him that, remember that his first priority is Teju, not you. So do what's right for you, not for me also. Do it for you. Play for you, not for anybody else. That's it.
ओके एंड राखी सावंत के बारे में क्या कहना है? बिकॉज जब हमने देखा था कि राखी सावंत एंटर कर आई थी, आप बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गए थे, यू वर लाइक किड कि राखी आ गई, अब तो आएगा मजा, बट इवेंचुअली उतना डेवलप नहीं हो पाए आप, और राखी के राखी की जिस तरीके से पर्सनैलिटी निकल कर आ रही है कि वो पीठ पीछे उमर को बहुत बोल रही थी, और उमर और किसी और की लड़ाई होती थी, बीच में कूद पड़ती थी, आपके क्या व्यू पॉइंट है राखी के ऊपर?
See, Raki's not a bad person. She has a lot to say, and sometimes the wrong things to say also. But I don't think she's bad. I think what happened with Raki is when she came in the show, uska bahut, she wanted to bring this entertainment factor in the show, which is good at doing. बात ये थी कि sometimes गुस्से में बहुत चीज बोल रही है जो एक्चुअली वो मीन भी नहीं करती है. मुझे बहुत चीज बोला उसने शुरू में, जो मुझे मैं थूकता हूँ खाने में, अरे भाई मैं रोटी को ऐसे थूक थोड़ी मारता हूँ. Sometimes when you're speaking loudly comes out. So it took me one day to understand her, that how she's the person. I was very excited. I'm still very excited she's in the show because she's Rakhi Sawant.
Yeah.
And हमारा दोनों की बॉन्डिंग बहुत स्ट्रांग थी. मतलब हम डांटते थे, हम लड़ाई भी करते थे, but at the end of the day हम सोने से पहले हमेशा पैचअप करते थे, because when I used to look at her now, मेरी हंसी छूट जाती थी, और मुझे मेरे साथ भी देखती मेरी, she used to laugh at me. तू एक साला कमीना है घर में कि मेरे साथ लड़ाई नहीं करता, ऐसे क्यों नहीं चीज, तू मुझे साला हंसाता है, मैं क्या करूं इसमें. Like something I did with this sing का नहीं था, she goes me to sound, ऐसा हाँ मैं बड़ा sound हूँ, तो sing था, ऐसे मैं sing पीछे है, बिल्कुल चुप ही हो गई राखी, उसको जवाब भी नहीं था. She was कमीने में लड़ा तो मुझे हंसाया क्यों ऐसे, तो तू क्यों हंसाती मुझे. तो it was like a very funny thing at the end. We had a very good relationship with each other, and I think she's a gem of a person. I love her a lot, and I think that she's fun. Yeah, she's entertaining.
Okay. राखी के बारे में, उनके हस्बैंड और रितेश और उनके बारे में एक बात कही जा रही है, इट्स ऑल फेक, ये सिर्फ ड्रामा क्रिएट करने के लिए है, एंड ये सारी चीजें आप घर के अंदर उनके साथ रहकर आए हैं, व्हाट यू एग्जैक्टली फेल्ट अबाउट देम, बिकॉज हमने देखा है कि बाहर भी मतलब जो दिख कर आ रहा है वो ये है कि वो बहुत ज्यादा उनको डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं, और राखी तो ऐसी लड़की है नहीं जो कि इतना ज्यादा डोमिनेटेड हो जाए, राइट? सो व्हाट्स योर रिएक्शन?
Rakhi, see, I think I was the only person in the house that said Rakhi. Where is Rakhi Sawant? She used to be, मैं तो ये हूँ. I said Rakhi Sawant जो मैं जानता हूँ तुम नहीं है. And yes. I spoke to her, I was sitting in the garden. If you saw me with Umar, I said, where is the Rakhi Sawant that I know? From season 13 or from season 1. I said, where is this girl gone?
Exactly.
So then she said to me, नहीं मैं ऐसी हूँ. Ritesh used to dominate in the fact that तू ये नहीं करेगी, वो नहीं करेगी, ये नहीं करेगी, वो नहीं करेगी. मुझे तो समझा मत मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो I was thinking, if my partner, my wife was in the show and she's done 2 seasons of Big Boss, I would take all her advice because she knows the game. But he wouldn't budge. And he was very buttermies and rude to her. That's why I interfered, I think, in a few days ago. I said to him, I said,
yes.
buttermies क्यों हो रहे हो उसके साथ? So why are you being rude to her? And that's the first one. I said, stop doing it because I really care for Rakhi. I really love that girl. She's a very sweet girl. She's very innocent. So it was a drawback for her to have Ritesh in the show, in my opinion. I think she didn't come out. I think now that she's gone, she'll come out even more. So now you'll see more of the Rakhi Sawant that we know.
Whom do you think is a double-faced person?
Devolina.
Okay. मौका परस्त कौन है?
English में बोलो.
Opportunistic.
I'm Pratik at the moment because Pratik likes to be in the group of VIPs.
Okay. Who's fake?
Fake तो कोई नहीं है. Bushukle. Fake नहीं है. हाँ, Bushukle bit fake actually. हाँ.
Okay. मोहल्ले की आंटी. Means चुगली गर्ल जो.
I think I'm one of our mohalle ki auntie. I think I'm part of the mohalle ki auntie. I'm with her in that also.
You?
I'm not, but I think if she's in the mohalle, she is mohalle ki auntie. But I think वो जो नहीं auntie बैठती लोगों के साथ, maybe इसकी घुसी साथ में कि मुझे भी सुनना उसकी बात.
Okay. Mastermind.
Kundra.
Ooh, okay. Non-deserving for Big Boss.
Bichukle.
Okay. Diplomatic.
Rajiv Dati.
ये तो I can say that with loud mouth. I can say that this to you. Okay. Real personality. Most real.
Shamita Shetty. And
okay. No, Umar nahi?
Don't know. I said Shamita and Umar, don't know.
Okay. इधर की उधर करने वाला या वाली?
Teju.
Okay. बिल्कुल भी trustworthy नहीं. Non-trustworthy.
Rakhi Sawant. You cannot trust her for anything. I mean, I gave her. मैंने पता क्या हुआ था? I don't think they showed it on TV. Basically, I did something with her. I said, देवो ने मुझे धमकी दी कि कोई किचन में आएगा नहीं, मैं लंच करूंगा, ऐसे मैं तुझे दिखाऊंगा, तो मुझे धोखा दिया, धमकी दी ना। पूरी रात हमने आई सेड आई मेड अ प्लान टू मेक सब्जी इन द मॉर्निंग एंड थ्रो इट इन अ फेसिंग देख मैंने लंच बनाया। तो राखी वाज विद मी इन दिस, उसने कसम खाई, सुबह उठ के कसम तोड़, आई ब्रोक द कसम, 2 सेकंड के अंदर बता दिया उसने सब बात। अरे राखी तो बिल्कुल भरोसा लायक नहीं है, सबके धोखेबाज तो है शो में, तो शी इज नॉट ट्रस्टवर्दी इन द शो राखी साहब।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच राजीव। बस चलते चलते लास्ट आपसे मैं टॉप 5 आपके पूछना चाहता हूँ कि कौन है?
शमिता शेट्टी, उमर रियाज, Rakhi Sawant, Rashmi Desai, and Kurin Mundra.
Okay, okay.
Even Teju for that matter.
Okay, thank you, Rajiv. All the very best for your future, and we would love to watch you again and again in different platforms. You are such a cool and nice person.
Hi, I'm Rajiv Vidatya, and you're watching FIFA Fools. Subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the best.